Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the game environment and toolchain. Back up your Rainworld mods and prefs so you can revert if needed. Install the correct mod loader, BEP in X or SR mod, matching your game version, then extract files into the game directory. Once done, enable the developer console in Options and bind a convenient key. This lets you run commands immediately. Make sure the loader runs at launch, and the game shows the console prompt before moving to active debugging. You now interact with live game data through the console and inspectors. Open the console and run diagnostics to list loaded mods, errors, and game objects so you know the current state. Then use the Entity Inspector to click and inspect creatures or items, observing properties and live values to understand behavior. Next, apply focused script tweaks to test hypotheses. Reload the affected module instead of restarting to save time. This iterative approach isolates issues quickly. You finish by making persistent, clean changes and validating them. Save stable edits to your mod files and bump the version so you track iterations. Then test across different saves and difficulty settings to confirm no regressions. If something breaks, consult the console and game logs for stack traces, revert to your backup, and reintroduce a single change at a time to isolate the fault. One key tip: if you see repeated null or index errors, stop and inspect the object that the log repeatedly references before further edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.